Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to a rising star in the adventure world, the 2026 camper truck. Built for those who dream of freedom on the open road, this truck blends rugged utility with the comforts of a mobile home. Designed for explorers, overlanders, and weekend travelers alike, the new camper truck delivers capability, versatility, and convenience in one package. Let's take a closer look at what makes it special. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 camper truck sports a bold, practical design that emphasizes both strength and comfort. Up front, the grille and LED headlamps give it a modern, commanding presence, while the reinforced body lines highlight durability. The camper module is seamlessly integrated into the truck bed, offering aerodynamic efficiency without losing rugged appeal. Buyers can choose from multiple exterior finishes and off-road ready wheel designs, ensuring the truck looks as good at the campsite as it does in the city. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 camper truck offers a range of efficient yet powerful engines, including a turbocharged petrol, a torquey diesel, and a hybrid option for eco-minded travelers. Paired with advanced 4x4 systems and multi-terrain drive modes, it's designed to handle highways, mountain passes, and unpaved trails with ease. The suspension has been tuned for a balance of towing strength and ride comfort, while fuel efficiency improvements ensure longer journeys between stops. Safety and technology. The camper cabin isn't just about sleeping space, it's about smart living. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped kitchenette, foldable sleeping quarters, and modular storage. On the tech front, the truck features a large infotainment display with wireless connectivity, plus a suite of safety systems including adaptive cruise, lane assist, and trailer stability control. Solar charging options and onboard battery packs make it possible to camp off-grid without worry. Conclusion. The 2026 camper truck redefines what it means to travel in freedom, offering a perfect mix of capability, comfort, and adventure-ready features. Whether you're chasing remote trails or enjoying a weekend by the lake, this truck is designed to be your trusted companion. Stay tuned to my channel for more automotive news, reviews, and first looks at the vehicles that inspire the spirit of exploration.